Welcome to Brain Bytes, a series of math puzzles and brain games to bring the library into your home. My name is Jess, and this is Euclid. Euclid is a Greek math guy who lived over 2,000 years ago. He's best known for writing a set of 13 books of geometry, and these would be known as Euclid's Elements. For thousands of years, people who studied the elements were basically declared auto-smart. But because Euclid's Elements defined how geometry worked on a plane, and we're talking the infinite flat 2D surface, not the flying vehicle that might or might not contain snakes, we call it Euclidean geometry. But the thing is, you can do geometry on other surfaces too, like a sphere. And spherical geometry is fun. Not only that, any geometry that's not Euclidean geometry is referred to as non-Euclidean geometry. Whenever I show this stuff to kids at the library, I make sure to teach them how to pronounce non-Euclidean geometry. Then, when their parents ask what they did at the library and the kids say, non-Euclidean geometry, the adults freak out, and it's glorious. Now let's do some comparative geometry. On a plane, a line is the shortest distance between 2 points and goes pew pew infinitely in both directions. On a sphere, if we connect any 2 points and go pew pew in both directions, you get a circle. Woo! In fact, each time you do this, the circle you create is the biggest possible circle on that sphere, which we call a great circle. And this would make an awesome name for a Peanuts movie. This whole great circle thing would probably blow your mind, except you all know about the equator and lines of longitude, and those are all great circles. Now, if two lines on a plane intersect, it happens at exactly 1 point, and they just make an X or a plus sign. But two lines on a sphere intersect at 2 points, and this forms a shape called a loom. Actually, it's 4 looms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Euclidean intersection, hang your head in shame. But it gets even better. 3 lines on a plane can intersect to form at most 1 triangle. Sphere, you show that plane who's boss. 3 lines on a sphere that intersect at 3 distinct points form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 triangles. Mwahahaha. And how many degrees does your measly Euclidean triangle contain? Add up all the angles, and the sum will always be 180 degrees. Predictable. Spherical geometry has you beat. The sum of an angles in a triangle on a sphere is always greater than 180 degrees. Look at this one. It's got 3 right angles. You just can't do that on a plane, and the sum of its angles measures 270 degrees, and that's at least moderately awesome. Now, Brain Bytes viewers, what did you learn about today? Repeat after me. Non-Euclidean geometry. Now go freak someone out. Bye.